Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by today, and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys real quick what happened this week. My friends, I have a couple of friends who they've been intending to start their YouTube channel since year before last. I tell you, every time I talk to them and I get to ask them, I say, what about the YouTube channel that they wanted to start? They'll give me excuses like, oh Sylvia, I want it to be perfect. Mostly I mean, what I get from each and every one of them is the same thing, like, oh, this that, but the center of it all is that they want it to be perfect. Oh, I want the editing to be perfect. I don't know what to post, I don't know the content to post, you know, things like that. And I shared with them that when my friend told me about YouTube July last year, 2019, I didn't know what to share, I didn't know what to post. So I thought about it. I said, what am I going to post? What am I going to share with people? And then I thought, since I'm just home with the kids for now, you know, because I'm staying at home with the kids for now, you know, I can just share with people the things that I cook, like my recipes. So I started filming whatever I cook at home. I shared it with you guys, and I observed that you guys enjoyed my recipes. Some of you guys, I got a lot of nice comments, people saying they love my my videos, my recipes. So I had to make a playlist of that, which I'm gonna, you know, if you check my playlist, you're gonna see my cooking videos. So yeah, I started with cooking. Whatever I cooked at home, I shared it. I filmed it, I edited it, and I posted it. And initially, the editing part, I didn't know how to go about it. So I went to my friends. I think I went to her a couple of times, like almost 4 times, if not 5 times, you know, for her to to show me how to edit. Because each time I edited, I realized that, oh, I'm missing something. This is not perfect, you know, the same word, perfection. But there's really nothing like that, because when you're starting something initially, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes, so you have to be open to that. So I went to her about 5 times, 4 to 5 times, you know, for you know, if I do this, I didn't get it right, I did this, and I'm like, or sometimes she'll watch the video and she'll be like, oh no, you should have done this, you shouldn't have done this, or you know, things like that. She corrected me, but I did not delete the videos. I kept the videos there, you know, and I learned over time. Each time I go to her, she corrects me, and I took correction, and I, you know, built upon that, you know, and that helped me. And I observed that the more I did it, the better I got. So the more I edited the videos, the better I got, you know. The more I posted videos, the better I got. So I started with cooking videos, and same content. I didn't know what to do, so I just started with that. I started with cooking videos, and then, you know, since I grow, I have my garden at my backyard, I said, why not, let me share it with you guys. So I did garden videos. Oh, and those ones, people really loved it, and a lot of people could really relate to it, because I think a lot of people now are more into gardening, you know, growing their own vegetables, because you have to live healthily. And the best thing you could do for yourself is to grow your own food, especially if you're living in America, you know. Some of you guys will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I did my garden videos, and people loved it, you know, and I did more of that. But I wasn't perfect, and I'm still learning. So I shared it with them, and I told them, I said, just start. The first step is for you to start. Just start, and you're gonna learn along the way. You're gonna learn as you go. Don't say, oh, I want it to be perfect, I want the video to be perfect. There's nothing like that. And I'm gonna share some of the old videos that I, you know, when I started initially, they were horrible, they were bad. But who cares? I left them there, because you know, by keeping them there, I get to measure the progress that I've made over the years. Yeah, so I intentionally left the videos there. You know, I could have deleted them as, you know, as I get better, but no, I kept them there so that even now from time to time I go back to watch those old videos, and I've to see the progress that I've made, and I can tell you that I've really made a lot of progress. And thanks to my friend also for helping me out. You know, some people would have been, oh, I showed you the first time, you didn't get it. I showed you second, third, are you still coming back to me? No. But she wasn't like that, you know. She was very patient with me. Every time I have issues with my YouTube channel, you know, editing videos, this, that, I'll go to her, I call her, I say, this is it, can I come over? She say yes. And she is always very, you know, open, very free to teach me, and very patient with me, because not everybody would be like that to show me things that I needed to know. And I'm still learning. Like I said, I am still learning, but I embrace it all. The flaws, the ones that are better than the flaws a little bit, all of that, they are all part of the process. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, I don't want you to sit down and say, oh, what am I going to put? Just think, oh, what am I doing? What are you doing every day from time to time, like consistently? So when it comes to cooking, I'm going to be cooking till maybe when my kids are grown, maybe they can take over the kitchen, but until that time I'm still gonna be cooking. So that one I'm doing it consistently. So my cooking videos, you can find them here on my channel. So yeah, if you want to start a YouTube channel, just start. Don't wait for a perfect time. And I made this video because I'm going to share it with my friends too. Those of my friends that I told them, I said just start. So don't wait for a perfect time, just start. Put out the first videos. Don't worry about if people are gonna watch. Oh, because that was another thing that I had in mind. Who's gonna watch my video? I don't even know anybody who's gonna subscribe to my channel, but here am I with you guys along this journey with me. I am really grateful for all of you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I read the comments, and a lot of times I just smile while I'm reading it, and while I'm, you know, replying to your comments. I'm so happy that you guys find my videos, you know, entertaining or helpful in one way or the other. So I told them, I say, just post the videos, put them out there, and you're gonna find people are gonna come watch your videos. Oh, hi, how are you? Or, oh, I like your video, oh, this was nice, thank you for sharing. Things like, oh, I just subscribed to your channel. And I also told them that you also have to engage with them. I don't just post video and say, oh, they just watch. No, you have to engage with them. It's like a community. So you guys are like my family. This is my community, this is my family. You guys are my family. So when you text, when you comment, I have to reply to you guys, you know. So I told them, I say, you have to reply to them when they, you know, say something nice to you. You have to reply. So even both the fans and the haters, it's okay, just take it all together. Still part of the process. You know. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, do not wait for a perfect time. Just put out your content, and you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. I know we are all busy, and sometimes you get caught up with all the schedules that you have, and you barely have time. But even if I told them, like I told my friends, if you can put out a content, even if it's once a week, but just let people know that you are consistent. They always come back to watch your videos as long as you are consistent, you know. But if you put up a video today and then you post the next one in 6 months time, oh shoot, that is not really good. So, and then the other one, like my friend, my friend Patricia, she said, Sylvia, I don't know. I said, just do it. Nike, yes, just do it. Just put it out there. Just put it out there. Definitely you're going to find people, amazing people are out there online. They're going to support you. I have seen so much love on this platform that, I mean, I was literally blown away by the love, the support, the love and the support that people show each other on YouTube. And I'm very, very grateful for this platform, this YouTube channel, YouTube, you know, itself, the app itself, because you get to learn so many stuff, so many things on YouTube. I mean, whatever you want to learn, just go to YouTube. I've learned so much on this platform, and I'm really grateful for the person that invented YouTube, because it has been a very helpful platform. So if it has been helpful to you, let me know also in the comment section below. Let me know that I'm not alone. So yeah, that is it. If you want to start your YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Start right away. Start right away. Even if you can't put out 3 videos a week, just do 1 a week. One a week. Before you know, in a year that's a lot of videos. In 2 years that's a lot of videos, and you made a lot of progress. You know, if you look back, that's if you start and you're consistent with it, you're gonna make a lot of progress looking back. So yes, I am grateful that I had to join this platform, because I have met so many amazing people, so many loving people here on this platform that I wouldn't trade for anything. And I'm grateful for you watching my video right now. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I love all of you guys. So that is it. I just wanted to share this with you, and I'm gonna share this video with my friends. So just start your YouTube channel. Just start. Just think of the contents. Did you hear that, dog? Okay, yeah. So just think of the content. Think of what you do on a day-to-day basis that is consistent, and share that with people on, you know, social media platform, on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. So yeah, that is it, and you're gonna be so blown away by the reception that people are gonna give you. Warm reception. Thank you so much guys for watching this video to this point. I appreciate it. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Follow me on Facebook at Upong's Palace. You can also follow me on Instagram at SylviaSandy7. Until then, I'm gonna see you in my next video. So guys, bye.